Alright, boys and girls, so got the majority of the wiring wrapped up. I do obviously need to come back in here and detail the engine bay, but for now I need to get back. Sorry, I don't even know where the harness is at, and that harness, and wrap all of that up, and it goes behind the engine right where that blue connector is under the red wire in the wire loom. So I'm gonna work on that for a little bit, and then I have to start the truck, turn it around, and that way I can start working on building the jack location for the rear. So stick along. Alright boys, it's day 33. Trying to make it to the duct tape drags. So today I was working on the finishing up the wiring in the engine bay, which I'm done. I just need to go out there and close the hood and then lock the door. But let's go look out there. So all the wires are cleaned up back there. I just need to come back and actually clean the engine bay and the engine. God damn. But yeah, 33 more days, dude. And that'll wrap up today's video. All the wiring over here is cleaned up for the most part. Ran that way. Ran down behind the fuel rail or the fuel lines, and then behind the block it's all wrapped up. Now passenger side, all the wires are cleaned up. I'll come back and zip tie those relays to that mount that's up there. But there it is. Like I said, I'll come back, clean up the engine before the show. Oh, that'll take about a day. But it's nothing, you know? It's all just work. Nuts and bolts, shit like that. Peace out.